Hey everybody, Troy here, Dirt Church Industries. If you have the 2, 3, or 4 drawer Milwaukee Packouts, you know that removing these aluminum rails is a complete pain in the ass. Normally, on the fold-up style lids, there's access to a phillips screw you can drop the aluminum rail out. Again, on the 2, 3, and 4 drawers, there's this single-use push-in factory tab that's not designed to come out, or at least not designed to come out easily. The current videos I've seen on the internet involve 3 hands, 2 screwdrivers, and a heat gun. It's overrated. We design and sell these rail caps. We're going to remove this. I'm going to show you how. Why you want to remove these rail caps is for adding on any aftermarket accessories. For example, right here we have this folding detachable bamboo table that simply slides into place. On this side, we're going to be installing the steel table. 2 options for removing these we recommend. The first one, you can heat up your least favorite screwdriver, melt this little plastic tab enough to drop this thing out. Option 2, you take a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill it out. So let's proceed. 1/4-inch drill bit. Drop it out. And from there, you're going to remove this phillips screw. The only part of this kit you're going to be saving is the phillips screw itself. This red plastic tab will not get utilized. Scrap that. Install ours. Simply push it into place. Reinstall the phillips screw. Slide this back in position. Tighten it up. Now you can easily add or remove any aftermarket accessories. For example, here we're going to install this 3D printed bracket. Slide it all the way up. Tighten set screws. Now you can attach our steel folding table. Simply slides on. There you go. Now you got 2 tables, both of which are rated to hold 80 pounds plus. This table right here, we're selling just the mount themselves or the steel table. The steel table can be found at Harbor Freight for around $25. If you don't have one or you don't want to bother with it, we can sell you the table as well. Install, uninstall, super easy. Take it over here to the bamboo table, very similar. Folds up, folds down, also detachable. Both rated to hold 80 pounds, both click into place, both allow for easy transport or storage when not in use. Again, we have everything on the website, including both of these tables and the rail caps, churchindustries.com. If you don't have any questions, be sure to reach out to us. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.